Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna salad with lettuce. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and some fresh vegetables. A crisp stalk of celery and a bit of red onion add wonderful texture and flavor. Don't forget your fresh lettuce leaves for that perfect, refreshing wrap. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get to the heart of our tuna salad. In a medium bowl, gently flake your drained tuna. Add in the creamy mayonnaise, the crunchy diced celery, and the finely chopped red onion. Mix everything together until it's beautifully combined and uniform. A little salt and pepper will enhance all those lovely flavors. Give it a quick taste to ensure it's just right for you. The lettuce is key for a refreshing experience. Choose 4 large, crisp leaves. Romaine or butter lettuce work wonderfully. Carefully wash each leaf under cool water to remove any dirt. Then, it's crucial to pat them completely dry with a paper towel. This step prevents a watery salad and ensures maximum crunch. Arrange these fresh, dry leaves on your serving plate, ready for the tuna. Finally, it's time to assemble our delightful tuna salad lettuce wraps. Take about 1/4 cup of your prepared tuna salad and place it neatly onto the center of each dry lettuce leaf. You can then gently fold or roll the lettuce around the filling, creating a perfect handheld wrap. Serve these immediately to enjoy the crispness of the lettuce and the fresh flavors of the tuna salad. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.